Your words have incredible power. They are not just sounds or symbols, they are the building blocks of your reality. Every word you speak carries energy and intention, shaping the world around you. What you say to yourself shapes your reality. The conversations you have with yourself are the most important ones you'll ever have. They can either lift you up or bring you down. Positive affirmations are like fuel for your mind. They nourish your thoughts and empower your actions. When you fill your mind with positive words, you create a positive life. They can change how you think, feel, and act. Affirmations can transform your mindset, making you more resilient and optimistic. They help you see opportunities where others see obstacles. When you repeat affirmations with conviction, you can achieve amazing things. Your goals become clearer, and your path to success becomes more defined. The power of belief is truly transformative. It's time to unleash the giant within you. Embrace your inner strength and let it guide you to new heights. The potential within you is limitless. You have the power to transform your life. Every step you take, every decision you make, is a testament to your inner strength and determination. It all starts with the words you choose to believe. Your beliefs shape your actions, and your actions shape your destiny. Choose words that empower and uplift you. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? The journey to greatness begins with a single step. Take that step today and watch as your life transforms in ways you never imagined. Your mind is like a computer. It processes information, stores data, and runs programs based on the input it receives. It runs programs based on your beliefs. These beliefs are like the software that dictates how you think, feel, and act. If you constantly tell yourself negative things, you'll get negative results. Your mind will follow the negative programming and create a reality that matches those thoughts. But here's the good news: you can reprogram your mind. Just like updating software, you can change your mental programming. Positive affirmations are the key. These are powerful, positive statements that you repeat to yourself to replace limiting beliefs. They are positive statements that replace limiting beliefs. By consistently affirming positive thoughts, you can overwrite the negative programming. Repeat them daily and watch your mindset shift. Over time, these positive affirmations will become your new beliefs. You'll start to see new possibilities and opportunities. Your mind will be open to new experiences, and you'll be able to achieve things you once thought impossible. Here are some powerful affirmations to get you started. For confidence, I am strong and capable. For relationships, I attract loving and supportive people into my life. For success, I am worthy of abundance and achievement. Choose affirmations that resonate with you. Write them down and repeat them throughout the day. Feel the words in your heart as you say them. The science of belief. In this section, we delve into the fascinating intersection of psychology and neuroscience to understand how our beliefs shape our reality. Science backs up the power of affirmations. Studies have shown that positive affirmations can significantly impact our mental and emotional well-being. When we consistently repeat positive statements, we are essentially training our brain to think differently. When you repeat affirmations, your brain releases endorphins. These are the chemicals responsible for making us feel good. It's like giving your brain a little boost of happiness every time you say something positive to yourself. These chemicals create positive feelings and, well, reduce stress. Imagine starting your day with a few positive affirmations. You set a tone of optimism and calmness that can carry you through even the most challenging situations. Over time, affirmations rewire your neural pathways. This means that your brain starts to form new connections that support positive thinking. It's like building a mental muscle that gets stronger with each repetition. Your thoughts create your reality. By focusing on positive affirmations, you are essentially programming your mind to look for opportunities and solutions, rather than problems and obstacles. Positive affirmations help you focus on what you want, not what you fear. This shift in focus can be incredibly empowering, allowing you to take control of your life and steer it in the direction you desire. This shift in focus leads to positive actions and outcomes. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you are more likely to take the steps needed to achieve your goals. The science of belief is not just about thinking positively, it's about transforming your entire mindset to create a better, more fulfilling life. Rewrite your story. Countless people have used affirmations to transform their lives. They've overcome challenges, achieved their dreams, and found true happiness. You have the same power within you. Start using affirmations today. Be consistent, be patient, and believe in the power of your words. You have the ability to rewrite your story and create a life you love.